Hi guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Protests fly across Iran in violent unrest over humans' death. Protests rigged for a fourth strike day across Iran on Tuesday, and authorities said 3 people had been killed during unrest over the death of a young woman in police custody. The death last week of 22-year-old Mahsa Amini, who was arrested by morality police for unsuitable attire, unleashed a flood of simmering anger over numerous issues including rights, security, and economy reeling from international sanctions. It is some of Iran's worst unrest since street clashes last year over weather shortage. The Iranian government accused foreign against an unspecified terrorist of instigating the violence. In an apparent effort to diffuse tensions, an aide to Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei paid condolences to Amini's family, saying that Khamenei was affected and pained by her death. All institutions will take action to defend the rights that were violated. Khamenei's representative in the Kurdistan province, Abdulreza Zahabi, said while visiting Amini family home in Kurdistan province, state media reported. As I promised to the family of Mr. Amini, I will also follow up the issue of her death until the final result, Power Zahabi said. Amini fell into a coma and died while waiting with other women held by the morality police, who enforce strict rules in the Islamic Republic requiring women to cover their hair and wear loose-fitting clothes in public. Her father said she had no health problems and that she suffered bruises to her leg in custody and holds the police responsible for her death. Demonstrations broke out in Kurdistan and spread on Monday and Tuesday to several other provinces in northwestern Iran. Late on Tuesday, state media report limited rallies in several cities where it said demonstrators chant anti-government slogans, threw rocks at police vehicles, and damaged public property. Videos posted on social media websites on Tuesday purported to show demonstrations in provinces across Iran, including several regions that had so far been untouched by the unrest. Reuters could not independently verify those videos. The deadliest unrest has taken place in the Kurdistan region, where state official and activist websites have reported at least 3 people killed. Kurdish human rights group Hengau said the 3 people who died were killed on Monday when security forces opened fire. The governor of Kurdistan province said the deaths were suspicious and blamed unspecified terrorist groups. A citizen of the city of Defender was killed with a weapon that isn't used by the armed forces. Terrorist groups are looking to kill, Ismail Zari Kosha said in comment reported by semi-official Fars news agency. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Bye.